Good morning and Sai Ram children. Dear children, in the previous video, we have completed the exercise of book and the practice of the workbook questions, isn't it? So, in this video, we'll do some more exercise in our notebook. Okay? Related with the same chapter, chapter number 10, add our points. What is our chapter name? Add our points. Okay. So let's start some more practice, some more new questions related with the same chapter. Chapter number 10. Add our points. Okay. So children, in your notebook, first you will write date. Okay. Here in this space you will write date. Okay. After written date, you will mention chapter. Chapter number 10. Okay. Then you will write chapter name. What you will write? Chapter name. Add our points. Points. Okay. This is your chapter name. First you will write date and then you will write chapter number and then you will write chapter name. Then you will start your work in your notebook. Okay. Our first question is, this is our first question, question number 1. Fill the missing numbers. Fill the missing numbers. Here in this some numbers are missing. You will see and fill it. Okay. So first one is count by ones. Count by ones. In this you will counting one by one. You will not skip any number. Okay. So here two numbers are already written, 37. Then after 37, 38. So here you will not skip any number and then you will write after 38. What come after 38? It's 39. So here you will write 39. Okay. After 39, what you will write? 40. Okay. And then 41. After 41, 42. Like this you will write. Then 43. Then after 43, 44 is already written. And then after 44, what you will write? What comes after 44? It's 45. So here you will write 45. Okay. Now, next is, second part is count by tens. Count by tens. Here in this you will skip 10 numbers. Okay. Like 14 is given here. And after 14 you will write next 10th number. Okay. After 14, 15, 16, 17. Like this. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So, if we'll count this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10th. So, this 24 is which number? 10th number. Okay. So, after 24, which one is the 10th number? It's 34. After 34, which one is the 10th number? 44. So after 44, which one is 10th number? It's 54. So what you will write there? You can write here 54. What you will write here? 54. After 54, which number is 10th number? After 54, which number is 10th number? It's 64. So here you will write 64. After 54, 10th number is 64. Then after 64, 10th number is 74. It is already written. Okay. Now after 74, the 10th number is, yes, it's 84. 84. And after 84, the 10th number is 94. So here what you will write? 94. What you will write? 94. Okay. One more I am telling you. Third part. Count by ones. Again, in this you will not skip any number. Okay. Like 58. After 58, 59. Then 60. Then 61. Then 62. Then 63. 64. 65. And 66 is already written. So here you will not skip any number. Now again, fourth part is count by tens. Here again you will skip how many number? 10th number. You will write 10th number. You will write 10th number. 19. After 19, which one is the 10th number? It's 29. 29 is the 10th number. After 29, which number is 10th number? It's 39. Isn't it? After 39, which number is 10th number? It is, yes, it is 49. So what you will write here? 49. After 49, which number is 10th number? It is 59. So what you will write here? 59. And after 59, 69 is already written. After 69, the 10th number is 79, and then 89, and then 99. Like this, you will complete it. Same, you will write here down count by ones, and then sixth part is count by tens. These two parts you will do yourself. Okay? Here in fifth part again count by ones. In this you will know don't skip any number, and in sixth part again you will write the 10th number. Okay? So like this you will complete this table. You will complete these missing numbers. Okay? Now move on. Next question. This is question number 1. Now move on. Next question. Next question is missing addend. Missing addend. Here you will fill missing addends. What is the meaning of addend? What is this? What is the meaning of addend? Addend means a number which is added to another. Addend means a number which is added to another. Here you will fill the number which will added. Okay. So here you will fill addend. Find the missing addend. Here you will find the missing addend. Which number you will add with the 8? Which number you will add with the 8? Here I will tell you 3 methods to find addend. Okay? So first method is, like our question is 8 plus what? The number we need, and then equals to the, yes, answer. answer is 11. What is our answer? It is 11. So first method is, we can use first method using counters. Using counters. First method is using counters. 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 How we can use this method? Like, our answer is 11. Okay, what is our answer? Our answer is 11. So we will draw 11 marbles like this. So our question is 8 plus some number. Okay, and then our answer. Our answer is 11. What is our answer? It is 11. Okay, so we can draw 11 marbles like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay, now in this 11 we have how many? 8. 8 we have. So what we can do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, these marbles we have, or these numbers, this number we have, 8 number we have. Now how many are left here? How many are left here? 3, isn't it? So our addend is 3. What is our addend? It is 3. This is the first method. Okay, now let us see the another method. Another method is counting forward. What is the other method? It is counting forward. So counting forward. Okay, F-O-R-W-A-R-D, forward. Counting forward. It means, so our second method is counting forward. Okay, like our question is 8 plus the number we need and the total is 11. Okay, so what we can do in this forward counting, we started 7 and we started 8 and go up to 11. We started 8 and go up to 11. So 9, 10 and 11. Okay, how many number I have written here? How many number I have written here? 3. So our addend is 3. This is the another method. One more method I will tell you. Counting backward. Another method is counting backward. Like our sum is 8 plus and some number and the total is 11. So we can start it from 11. We can start it from 11 and back up to 8. Okay, so let's start. 10, 9 and 8. This is backward counting. Then how many numbers are here? 3. Again 3 numbers. So our addend is 3. I hope now you understood how to find addend. Okay, now we'll do these questions. Okay, our first I have already told you the answer of first question is 3. If we will add 8 and 3, it become 11. Okay, now the second part is 5, some number and the total is 12. So if 5, I will write here 5 plus some number and total is 12. How you will find the addend? You can go up to, you will start, you have started 5 and go up to 12. Okay, so 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. How many number I have written here? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. How many number I have written here? 7 number. So our addend is 7. If we will add 5 and 7, the answer will 12. So our answer is 7. Okay. Now the next is 6 dash 11. What number will come here? What number will come here? Or if we will subtract these two numbers, one more method is there. If we will subtract these two numbers, we can get answer. If we'll subtract 6 from 11, so our answer is 5. This is another method. Okay. Now 7 dash 10. What number will come here? Yes. What number will come here? 7 plus dash equal to 10. Our total answer is 10. So if we'll draw 10 marbles like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We are having how many marbles? 7 marbles. Okay. How many marbles we have? We have 7 marbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many marbles are left? How many marbles are left? 3. Okay. So our addend is 3. We can write here 3. So 7 plus 3 is equal to 8. So our answer is 3. Okay. Next is 3 dash 9. What will come here? What number will come here? Yes. Here will come 6. If we'll add 6 and 3, it become 9. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. Now, rest of the sums you will do yourself. Okay? Just as you have completed the first part, same you have to complete rest of the questions. Okay? Now, move on. Next question. Here, some more questions are given. Work out the answers to these addition problems. Here, some numbers are given. You will add these numbers and find out the answer. If you will add 23 and 1, if we will add 23 and 1, it become 23 plus 1, 24. 23 plus 1 is equal to 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 and here 2. So the answer is 24. Now the second is 14 plus 10. 14 plus 10. If we will add 14 and 10, the answer is 4 plus 0 is equal to 0. Sorry. 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Answer is 24. What is the answer? 24. Okay. Now 67 plus 1. 67 plus 1. So if we will add these 67, we can count after 67 one more number. 67 plus 1 is equal to 68. So we can write here 68. 67 plus 1 is equal to 68. Now 26 plus 1. 26 plus 1, you can count one more number after 26. It's 27. What is the number? 27. So 26 plus 1 is equal to 27. Now number 5 is 33 plus 10. 33 plus 10. 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So the answer is 43. The addition of 33 and 10 is equal to 43. Now the next is sixth part is 19 plus 1. We can count one more after 19. Answer will 20. 19 plus 1 is equal to 20. Now 77 plus 10. 77 plus 10. 7 plus 0 is equal to 7. 7 plus 0 is equal to 7. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. The answer is 87. Okay. Now, just as you have completed the first part, this part, you also have to complete the second part. This part you will do yourself. Okay. Here also you will add 10 and 1. Okay. So same, just you have completed the first part, you will complete the second one. Okay. So this is your homework. This you will do yourself. Okay. Now move on. Next question. Here some more questions are given. You will add these questions and find out the answer. Okay. Let's how we'll do these questions. Here 3 parts are given: ones, tens and 100. 3 parts means ones, tens and 100. This is ones part, tens part and 100 part. Okay. First we'll add this ones part. Okay. 6 plus 5. What question is given? Question is 736 and what number is written down? 295. Okay. Now when we will add 6 and 5, first we'll add this ones place, 6 and 5. So 6 plus 5 is equal to, yes, 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. If 2 number will come, then this 1 number will go up to carry. Okay. Now we'll add these 2 numbers first, 3 and 1. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 4 plus 9 is equal to, yes, 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. So we'll write here 3 and 1 will go up again for carry. Okay. Now we'll add these two numbers first. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. And 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. So our answer is, what is our answer? 1031. So we can write here 1031. Okay. Like this, you will complete all these questions. Okay. So, your writing should be very neat and clean while writing. Be careful while writing. Okay. Add properly. Count properly. Okay. Okay, children. Sai Ram. Thank you.